Today in this video I'm going to go over some of the reasons why you never want to mix baking soda and vinegar for cleaning. Now there's a lot of misinformation out there on the internet, and I'm not going to go all chemistry teacher on you, but I do want to show you why it's important that you don't mix the two, and I also go over why you don't mix vinegar and hydrogen peroxide for cleaning, because it can make a corrosive acid. So let's get to the video.
Okay, so let me show you why you don't use vinegar and baking soda together in any cleaning solutions that you do around the house. We do use vinegar and we do use baking soda in our natural cleaning solutions, but we never want to mix them, and this is why. Now what you're getting here is a release of carbon dioxide from the reaction of the baking soda and the vinegar. And what you're left with after it stops bubbling is water and sodium acetate, which is totally useless for cleaning anything. So that's why you don't want to mix those two together. You want to use either vinegar or baking soda. Now you can use baking soda with hydrogen peroxide, but that's another thing that I wanted to bring up, is you don't want to mix vinegar and hydrogen peroxide, because you get parasitic acid, which is caustic and can burn your skin. So those things you don't want to mix together. You don't want to mix vinegar and hydrogen peroxide. You don't want to mix vinegar and baking soda, but you can mix baking soda and hydrogen peroxide.